Happy Thursday, you guys. Really quick before we jump into today's video, to share with you guys some headbands that was sent to me from a company, and I just want to share them with you. Y'all know I love me a good headband. I wear bows, headbands, anything that'll, you know, just push my hair off on my face. So they came in this little pack like this little box, and you can find them on Amazon, and of course they will be linked in my description box below. And you just get different colors in each little bundle: blue, gray, black, cream, orange, and taupe. I have the really thick band like this one here. You see how it's thicker than this one? Either way, I like them both, the thick ones or the thin ones. It doesn't matter to me. And I love that it's not just a flat headband. I love how it has like the little knot in the middle there. Choose from different colors. They have different prints, and I chose the, you know, the solid color ones because that's just my thing. But if you're like a print girl and you like different prints and styles like that, they definitely have different options you can choose from. Let me just try one on. They look super cute, and I love the knot. It just makes it look more, you know, dressed up a little bit. It's super cute. And I love how it feels like around my head. It's not super tight. It's like a nice little, it feels like it ain't gonna move. Like it's snug but not tight. They're very comfortable. Not only are they kind of like a fashion piece, but they're also like good for like getting your hair off of your neck. If you're cleaning, cooking, working out, outside, and you're just hot and sweaty type of thing. You just wanna get your hair off of your neck and your face. These are like really perfect and super cute, especially with this little knot here. Like, these are the ones that I love the most. So if you guys are interested, don't forget to check the description. They're a seller on Amazon, so you shouldn't have a hard time getting them, and they come pretty quick. Hello guys, happy Saturday. Happy Saturday, you guys. We just got back home. I should have taken you guys with us, but I be forgetting. I'm horrible with just picking up my camera when it's time to go. And I got so much footage on my in my phone that is taking up a lot of my storage. But anywho, welcome to the weekend. I'm actually looking for my my tripod or my stick that holds my camera. I'm trying to figure out like what I did with it. It's so much easier to hold the camera up when you have that. So hold on, you guys. Got it. That's what I was looking for. All right, so much better. Yeah, so like I said, we just got back in the house. Today we went to Lowe's because Babe got some light bulbs for his new light fixture, and then he got like a little light case. I'll show you guys in just a second. And I went and got my eyelashes done, and where else did we go? Lowe's. That's pretty much it. We don't have any plans today, just kind of hanging out. Babe is doing that. I know somebody said that he needed better light in his bar, and definitely he does. So he got the light bulbs, and he's putting that together. That's gonna be the new one. I think it's really nice, and it'll go really good in here. So he's getting that together. And he just got a new cap for this. I don't know what you call this, but yeah. He's gonna change that out, and hopefully that will do it, because I guess it's not really dark in here. I don't feel, baby, you feel like it's dark in here?
Sometimes.
You do?
Sometimes, yeah.
Even with the black?
No, it's not that dark. It's not bad.
Do you feel like it changed, like the black walls made it darker?
No.
Or do you feel like it's kind of like the same?
It's kind of like the same.
I feel like it's the same. I don't feel like the walls really changed the lighting in there a whole lot, because it's just one window over here in that area. But I think the way that the sun or, you know, I don't know, just don't give a whole lot of light in there. So anyways, he's doing that now. And I think I'm gonna do a video with my vase for like the 4th. And I found these here. These are like wood. They're wood roses, you guys. They're so pretty. So I figured I could do a themed flower arrangement in my vase. I like to do them sometimes according to like the seasons and the holidays that's around. So I think that's what I'm gonna do while he works on that. And we'll see what the rest of the day brings. I had my grandbaby here for 2 days. I don't know if I pulled out the camera even then. Probably not, because you know, it's kind of hard when you have your when the kids are here and I'm working. Like, even when I'm not working, it's hard. I don't know how young mothers do it. I don't even know how I did it, because I had 3 back to back. Like, they were literally 1 year apart, each of them. So they were 1, 2, and 3. And then Amari came 4 years after. But I don't know how I survived those times. God knows what he was doing, because at this age that I'm at now, I don't think I would be able to survive being a mom with young kids. It's really hard. It's very hard. So, but anyways, it's always fun having them around. Today they're at Six Flags, so Alea went home yesterday, but it was fun having her here. Let's see what they got in Bullseye. check them out. Oh, these are kind of cute. Do I see anything? I feel like every time I come to Target, I don't be seeing nothing that everybody else be finding. Nothing here. Oh, you guys, these are cute. For the kids. I needed some of this. Since when is alcohol $4? Going with the 90%. All right. Pineapple. Really cute. It's $30. It's like a tray, a decorative tray. It's so pretty. It's like metal or brass. So was this one. $35. This is nice. We made it back home, you guys. La Rosa watermelon, pickles, some deodorant, Hershey's milk chocolate. I want to make some s'mores. Got graham crackers, limeade, pineapple juice, alcohol. Babe got this Boom Chica Pop. He's been loving these lately for some reason. And that, oh, and paper towels is what we got. And from Lowe's, he got a Demo Bowl light switch here. He want to put in his bar. And I grabbed one of these Cobalt, like a mini toolbox. I thought it was super cute. They had pink ones that was kind of viral on TikTok, but I like this one better because of the color. I really don't need the pink one. I really don't match anything. So, and they didn't have the pink ones anyway. They do sell them, but they were out. But I like this color, that it'll match better. And that's it. Oh, here's all the colors right here. You get all of these colors here they offer, which I think is pretty cool.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you.
Guys, happy Thursday. Happy Thursday, you guys. Happy 4th of July. We're getting ready to head out. We're going to a little festival that's not too far from our house, and I just wanted to start the vlog off and get it going. I'm packing me a little bag to take. They're supposed to have like live bands, music, and all of that good stuff, food trucks and all of the things. So I am excited to go out and do that. Hopefully we'll be able to find us a seat or a spot to put our seats, because it starts at 4:30 and it is 3:42, and y'all know folks come out early just to get a good spot. So we'll see. I got this little blower thing here, you guys, from TikTok Shop. Look at this. How cool is that? Like, this thing is so cool. I got it from the little TikTok Shop. My grandbabies are going to love it. They are not going to be with us today. They are going to stay at home because something's going on with Maya's car. And we made plans to do this, and they were supposed to come with us. So Amari and Jeremiah is just gonna go over there, and they're gonna do like barbecue and swim. But we're still gonna go because we are, we had made plans to do that anyway, and I was looking forward to it. So yeah, got my little stuff together here. Got my cup and my little bag, my little diaper bag. Just got my little snack pack in there. And I do plan on putting this in here, which I do think it will fit. I tried it. So we shall see. And these are like the little packets of bubbles that come with it. And it comes with a little small one, but you can refill with regular bubbles. I'm gonna take them and put them in like the Ziploc. Just so it don't make a mess in my bag. And we up. I have like this little cap thing here. A little tripod. My outfit of the day. I have my hat that I made maybe a month ago. I think I showed you guys that. I have on Beauty Comes in All Sizes shirt that I made, and some jean shorts, my favorite jean shorts. I have on these Adidas and my little bag. And we're ready. That's what I'm looking at. I said that's what I'm looking at. Ooh, funnel cake. Smoothies.
How fast is going now?